They say I am evil and a monster. They're right.
Next, we're in Cincinnati, Ohio, for the arraignment of alleged serial killer Anthony Kirkland. The 40-year-old previously served 16 years in prison for one murder and is now charged with multiple other violent crimes, including 3 murders by strangulation he's believed to have committed after his release. In each case, he also allegedly burned the body of the victim in an attempt to conceal evidence of rape.
Mr. Kirkland, you are charged with the following offenses as contained in the indictment. Count 1, attempted rape with specifications. Count 2, aggravated murder with specifications. Count 3, aggravated robbery with specifications. Count 4, aggravated murder.
Everybody stay seated, please.
The judge has only read a few of the numerous violent charges against Kirkland when he appears to faint.
4, aggravated murder.
Everybody stay seated, please.
After he's helped back to his feet, the judge finishes reading all 12 counts related to the murders of a woman and 2 teenage girls in the Cincinnati area.
Mr. Kirkland, this is a death penalty case. What is the defendant's plea?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
But before Kirkland's trial begins, he's charged with another murder, this time a 25-year-old woman.
Anthony Kirkland is, in fact, a vicious serial killer.
During the trial, Kirkland does not take the stand, but his own words are still used against him when the prosecution plays portions of his recorded police interview describing the attacks.
How did you hurt her? Pushed her. Did you knock her out?
With Kirkland's own admission of guilt in the audio tapes, the jury ultimately finds him guilty on all charges. Facing the death penalty, Kirkland finally takes the stand during the sentencing phase of the trial.
I cannot believe how horrible I am. They say I am evil and a monster. They're right. Ever since I was little, everyone said I was bad. Even my mom hated me, but I don't blame her. I even hated me. I do not blame you if you kill me. I don't deserve to live, but please spare my life.
Kirkland's fate is now in the hands of the jury.
We, the jury, being duly impaneled and sworn, unanimously recommend that the sentence of death should be imposed upon Anthony Kirkland.
The trial of serial killer Anthony Kirkland appears to be over. But 6 years later, the Ohio Supreme Court would overturn his death sentence due to prejudicial remarks made by the prosecution during his sentencing. Kirkland was granted a resentencing trial where he once again pleads for mercy.
I do not deserve to live, but please spare my life.
And once again, his life is left in the jury's hands.
We, the jury, unanimously find that the sentence of death should be imposed upon Anthony Kirkland.
The judge would uphold the recommended sentence. Anthony Kirkland currently sits on Ohio's death row for the 4 murders he committed. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.